Ever wondered how to make your own strawberry jam at home? The allure of homemade jam lies in its freshness, the control over ingredients, and the sheer joy of creating your own food. Now, get ready to learn how to make delicious strawberry jam right in your own kitchen. To start, gather all of your ingredients. The magic happens with fresh strawberries, sugar, and a splash of lemon juice. Remember, the fresher and higher quality your ingredients, the tastier your jam will be. Once you have all your ingredients ready, it's time to start cooking. Begin by washing your strawberries thoroughly. Now let's dive into the delightful process of making your very own strawberry jam. First, after your strawberries are squeaky clean, you'll want to hull and quarter them. Once you've done that, it's time to add your strawberries to a pot, along with sugar and a squeeze of fresh lemon juice. Now comes the crucial part. Turn on the heat and bring the mixture to a simmer. Stir constantly to ensure an even distribution of heat and to prevent the sugar from caramelizing. Keep a keen eye on the temperature because it's key to avoid scorching. As the mixture cooks, you'll notice it thickening and turning into a luscious, glossy jam. After your jam has thickened nicely, it's time to jar it up. Carefully pour your hot jam into sterilized jars. This seals in the freshness, ensuring you'll have a taste of summer even in the depths of winter. Once filled, secure the lids tightly. Now it's time to store these jars of sunshine. Look for a cool, dark place like a pantry or a basement. Properly stored, your jam should last up to a year. To check its quality, look for changes in color or smell. And there you have it, your very own homemade strawberry jam. So, wasn't that a breeze? We've just discovered straightforward it is to craft your own strawberry jam in the comfort of your kitchen. But the fun doesn't stop there. You can also create delectable with other fruits like blueberries, raspberries, pineapple, grapes, peaches, and even a mix of your favorite fruits. The process remains the same. You simply need to swap out the strawberries with any fruit of your choice. Why not inventive, experiment with various fruits and flavors and concoct something truly unique? Now go ahead and lavish that scrumptious homemade jam on your favorite bread and savor every bite.